Greetings. Welcome to Jordan's Gonna Go. Come on in. I'm gonna play my pan drum tonight. I hear, before we dive in, I understand today is Ghana's Independence Day. Woo! Happy Independence Day to Ghana. Welcome to our YouTube channel here, Jordan's Gonna Go. Everything on this channel that we share, my husband and I talk about or bring to the channel, is not solely about Ghana. It's of course we share our journey. There's some videos where we talk about our visit to Ghana, and things of Ghana, and buying land and property, and our experience there, and just learning history and the culture. And we also bring in moments of things like this where I play my drums. All right, so this here is my pan drum. I hope this is going to show well. I don't necessarily have to be in. Well, let's see. All right, you'll hear the sound, okay? You'll definitely hear the sound. All right, let's get in. Sit back and relax. Somewhere comfortably if you're lying down. Take a few minutes to inhale and exhale. Together on the count of 3. We're going to inhale and hold for a count of 7, and then we're going to exhale slowly for a count of 7. Okay? 1. Inhale. Exhale slowly. Let's do that one more time on the count of 3. Inhale. Exhale slowly. Great job. Inhale. Exhale. All right, let's begin playing. 3. Inhale. Exhale slowly. We're going to inhale one more time. Hold for a count of 7. Inhale. Exhale slowly. Hope you enjoyed tonight, this morning, this evening. Sound of still. All right, steel tongue drum, pen music. Enjoy. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you found this soothing and relaxing. Have a great one.